Simple handling. When bending panels on a folding machine, the base side remains on the backgauge system. Through the swinging motion of the folding beam, the shorter flanges are bent to the programmed angle. In contrast to a press brake, the workpiece does not need to be followed upwards during the bending process. This saves the shoulders of the operator, accelerates the work process, improves the bending quality, and removes the requirement of a second or third operator to handle large work pieces. Many folding machines can be operated from both the folding beam side and the backgauge side. Smaller parts are ideal candidates to be handled from the folding beam side. The operator presses the flat blank against the stop fingers, clamps the upper beam, and the folding beam completes the bending cycle. For machines that only bend in a single direction, the operator flips the blank as soon as the bending direction needs to change. For machines that bend up and down, suction cups or a manipulator hold the blank in a secure position. These devices position the workpiece for every bend onto the bending line. This way, every sequential bend is dimensionally precise, whether positive or negative. Sometimes, for more complex bending, several tooling stations are required along the bending line. Also in these cases, it is possible to operate the machine from the front side. After bending is completed on one tool station, the operator moves the component to be bent on the next station. In this manner, very complex bending sequences can be fully formed in a single pass and without interruption. Large-scale bending components are ideal candidates to be handled from the backside of the machine. Starting with loading, the operator only needs to pull the blank from the sheet stack onto the backgauge table. Handling is very simple thanks to the support of the table's surface. Even with thick materials and therefore heavy workpieces, a single operator can complete the handling operations of the bending sequence. The same is true with large-scale bending components that are very thin and susceptible to kinks. Here again, bidirectional folding offers exceptional results, reduced personnel and part costs through simplified handling and a shortened learning curve. There are even many solutions to unloading and stacking completed bent parts. Light components with all four sides bent usually become so rigid that the machine operator can unload and stack them without assistance. For heavy workpieces made from thicker materials, there are a variety of suction-based solutions that assist with lifting and placement of completed components without additional personnel. Simple handling makes folding technology an ideal solution, especially for large-scale components.